Welcome to Beautyistic. I have a question for you. Have you ever struggled with setting powders that either leave your skin looking too cakey or disappear into nothing? Well, today we're taking a deep dive into the Clinique Blended Face Loose Setting Powder, a product that promises to give you a sheer coverage with a natural finish. Does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. Clinique's Blended Face Loose Setting Powder is designed for all skin types and boasts a matte finish that's perfect for those who want to set their makeup without it looking too heavy. This powder is available in a neutral shade called AB Transparency Neutral, which aims to match a variety of skin tones without leaving a white cast. The product is specifically designed to blend seamlessly into your complexion, offering sheer coverage that smooths and mattifies the skin. So how did it perform in real life? I've been testing this product out for the last week during my daily beauty routine, and I'll be honest, setting powders can be hit or miss for me. Some leave my skin looking dry, while others don't seem to last throughout the day. But this one? It's a little different. When I first applied it, the texture was incredibly fine, almost weightless, which is something I love about loose powders. It didn't settle into fine lines or leave a powdery finish, which I often find with other setting powders. The matte finish was there, but it was soft, nothing too intense or flat. My skin still had a natural glow underneath, which is exactly what I want from a setting powder. In terms of wear, it lived up to its promises. My makeup stayed intact throughout the day without feeling like it was locked in by a heavy powder. The real test was during a full day at work, and I didn't need to touch up or reapply during my 9-hour day, which is a big plus for me. It worked just as well in the morning as it did in the evening, keeping shine at bay while still allowing my skin to breathe. Now let's talk about some pros and cons. On the plus side, the product is incredibly easy to apply. It blends out seamlessly, and the sheer coverage is perfect for those who don't want a full-on matte finish but need some to set their makeup. The powder feels lightweight on the skin and doesn't clog pores, which is a huge plus for sensitive or acne-prone skin types. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the product is advertised as suitable for all skin types, I do think that those with very dry skin might find it a bit too matte, especially during colder months. I also noticed that it might not provide enough oil control for those with oily skin in humid conditions. So, if you tend to get oily throughout the day, you may need a primer or oil control product underneath. Now, in terms of value for money, this powder is priced on the higher side. It's Clinique, so you're paying for a premium brand with high-quality ingredients, but the sheer coverage and lightweight texture might not justify the price for everyone. You can find similar products at a lower price point that perform just as well, especially if you're looking for something with a matte finish. Comparing it to other setting powders on the market, I'd say it holds up well against popular options like Laura Mercier's translucent loose powder. Clinique's version is slightly lighter in texture, which could be a selling point for those who find Laura Mercier a bit too heavy. It also comes in a nice spill-proof container, which makes application clean and easy. In terms of build quality, Clinique's packaging is simple yet effective. The loose powder container is easy to open and close with a good sifter to prevent spills. The product feels sturdy, and the amount of product you get is reasonable for the price. So, would I recommend it? If you're looking for a setting powder that delivers a natural matte finish without feeling heavy on the skin, this might be a great option for you. It's especially suited for those with normal to combination skin who prefer a soft, set look without the risk of looking overly dry or cakey. But if you're someone with very dry skin or need more intense oil control, there are definitely alternatives that might suit your needs better. Before I wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support really helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase the product. If you've used Clinique's Blended Face Loose Setting Powder, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.